Justice Mariam Aliu Hassan of the High Court of FCT Warempa has ordered that the former Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Ngige, be remanded in Kuje Correctional Center pending the hearing of his bail application. The court has, however, adjourned to December 15, 2025 for hearing of his bail application. My people, I don't want to talk too much for this particular one. I just saw this news. I said, make I rush, bring and make una see. You see as they pick them one by one, but when I just listen to this video, please do well to share this video, guys. I don't want to talk too much.
I'm not at the ESG Correctional Center.
You know, as you all watched and witnessed, the defendant has been arraigned, duly arraigned, pleaded guilty to all the 8 counts charges level at the Naturally, before commencement of trial, the place of abode for him shall be nowhere other than the Correctional Center. And that's the application we made to the Honorable Court. But they desired that the man should just walk home from here, while there's a pending formal bail application that has been filed before the Honorable Court, which we, prosecution, need to react to. So having gone back and forth, the court made the appropriate order, remanding the defendant in the Kuje Correctional Center, and the matter is adjourned till Monday, when we shall all come back and argue the bail application.
So lastly, sir, there was something I was striking. He was using the word "not true," because we're used to hearing the word "not guilty." How does that translate into anything?
I'm saying I'm not guilty. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Table that your client has been remanded at the Kuje Correctional Center because you actually wanted him to go home.
No, I didn't want you to go home.
Okay.
First of all, let me thank you for coming this morning, and let me thank you for also assembling all the cameras to cover this very, in my view, very important trial.
Absolutely.
But then what we asked the court wasn't for him to go home. We wanted to ask the court, and we asked the court that because of his health condition, indeed even the FCC agreed that he's not well, and because of his health condition, he needs to have access to medical attention. Now, unfortunately, they don't have that at the FCC. And what I asked the court was to allow that whilst he's anywhere, whether it's the Correctional Center or wherever he is, that he may have access to medical attention. That's what I asked the court. And we're happy that the court agreed to come back for this matter on Monday.
Thank you very much, sir.
You guys will ask me again?
How do you have your full name, sir?
See, man, that's the first thing I've asked me. My name is Patrick Kuje.
Okay.
I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria. And I'm the counsel with my other colleagues for the distinguished senator, and the former minister, and former governor of my dear state, Anambra State, Dr. Chris Ngige.
Okay, before you go, can we just ask you one? You had, or you felt that it was not so strong enough for it to be here. Wow. And the EFCC said it was
very strong.
Very strong for it behind that. Ending 5 years imprisonment. How do you feel about the charge?
Oh, no. The charge sheet, mind you that, this charge is a matter that has been proved by evidence. But if you see the charges against the former minister, charges are that he used his position as the vice minister of the NICAT to award contracts to his associates. And what I said to the court was that I'm happy that there's no allegation, and this is something that's worrisome in our country. There's no allegation that the former minister embezzled funds belonging to the federal government or funds belonging to the ministry where he was the minister, but that contracts were given to his cronies or his associates. And then it's worrisome because I know that all government parastatals, including the NSITF or even the Ministry of Labour, all government parastatals ought to have a contract tenders board. They have to have a committee that supervises our works contract. I don't know that one person, whether it's the minister or whether it's anybody, can award contract to for the ministry or for an MDA to one person. So if you look at the charges against him, he was governor of our state, and I can tell you that till tomorrow, the work he did as governor in 2003, I think that's what it was, or before 1999, 2003, that work he did there is still standing out quite tall. And he was a senator, and I'm happy that there's no charge now against him, because people must know this. He's not in charge for embezzling funds of the federal government. That's something that is important to make the world to know. So I'm happy that all is being charged for is that the process of award of contract by the parastatal where he was minister. That's what is being charged for. So we will see how the prosecution who they bring as their witnesses. I'm sure that each parastatal, each ministry has a PAMSEC, and each MD has a chief executive. So let's see how he bypassed all these officers and then awarded contracts to his associates. And it will come to light also whether these contractors were indeed qualified to award the contract and whether they indeed executed the contract.
Yes. Well, let me move my luck a little bit, sir. But the gifts from this.
Oh no. Well, I don't want to start doing the case on television. And I'm not talking to you guys because today is Friday. And the first time I'm seeing you, and there's a lot of cameras here. Ordinarily, I don't do my case on TV. When they allegedly received gift from the campaign organization on the Scholarship Foundation, well, I have a foundation myself. People make donations to my foundation. I mean, I can tell you that you have people give scholarship under my foundation. So if he has a scholarship foundation, that should be commended. Because that is what we need in this community. That is what we desire. He's helping to train people. So if anybody makes a donation to that scholarship foundation, it's not they gave, and you know that the church not that anybody gave money to Dr. Chris Ngige. The scholarship foundation, which I'm sure has a board of trustees. You understand that? That's why I say that the charges against him, to my mind, nothing are not serious. They are serious. They are very serious charges. But then we are living in a country where we must speak truth to ourselves.
Thank you very much, sir.
Another question?
Thank you.
You see, the problem with these Igbo politicians, legitimized politicians, why do I call them delegitimized? It's because these people are not going to power in the southeast. Biafra is already redeclared. It's now an independent nation. Because you can do your research, Biafra they go in a very legal process. It's been redeclared. Are you getting it? So what they are supposed to do is to move back to Biafra land and start thinking on how to develop our nation. Oboli gonna serve these people now that or they can ask anything. These people, they don't fucking want you, bro. Okay, imagine the charges. Imagine the charges. I'm not supporting whatever charges that is there, but did you get the charges there? Compared to those high-profile criminals in Nigerian politics that are stealing, embezzling, doing all sorts of things. Imagine the charges. My people, we will now pick one by one. That is how they'll be picking them one by one. So as I speak to you, Chris Ngige, no go do na Kuje Correctional Center. So for some of you that are still there in power, thinking that you'll be there forever, maybe after that your tenure, you may be the next to be there in Kuje prison. Are you getting it? You people are not just getting what is happening. If I were these people, the best thing I would do is to go back, make peace with Biafra government, align with them, and start thinking of how to develop your own nation that has been redeclared. If I need now massive recognition from the host of countries, as you all have seen, different states in Nigeria have recognized Biafra. The like of Sokoto, Kano, Kaduna, Zamfara, different states, Kebbi states, which have brought the videos, the evidence, even though some people are saying AI without making use of their senses and eyes. You see, if I need now more and more recognition from the southern, like from Yoruba side, they should recognize Biafra. From north, many states should come together and recognize Biafra so that Kaibo Ifa and Kenke, Nigeria is no longer working again. Everything is upside down in Nigeria. And we need to curtail, we need to look into those criminal politicians and put them to where they belong. Masses of a country are not supposed to be suffering, whereas the people leading them enjoying alone. It's not proper. Now don't see as it take happen. Please do well to share this video and leave your thoughts down in the comment section.